Hello and welcome to Ewood Railway. I know it's been some time, but hopefully even from this opening shot you can see what I've been up to with these trees. These are Seafoam, bought a box, I think it was about 25 quid. I'll be honest, when I opened it I was a little bit disappointed. They all look really brown and dried out, and I thought, So I had a look on the trusty internet and saw what other people had done, and what I've done is I've got some, I think it's Jarvis, they do some scatter, put some PVA on it, sprayed some PVA 1-to-1 with water, and then I clump them together so they look a bit like a tree, and dip them into the PVA, and then I did the scatter, probably did about 3 or 4 layers to get it on, and I've sealed them with some hairspray. I've tried to get them all to look the same. I've clumped them together using these little plastic tubes. You can see one there. These black, focus, there we go. They're black plastic tubes, just to clump them together, and at the base I shall put some greenery to sort of disguise where the trunk meets the ground, if you like. I'm no expert on trees, I've got no idea about different sorts or whatever, but I did Google these, and they're called a popular something or other. I have got a picture on my phone, let's have a look. There they are, of them there. That's more of an autumn sort of theme. Try to get these a little bit more green, which I think's worked. But I'm really pleased. They've hidden sort of where the back seam meets out there, and they've sort of bunched this up to make it a little bit more green. And what I also have got is I've got some leftover here. I sort of split it, and this sort of stuff is like foliage that I'll use. There's an example of just this little one here, which I've put this tube round, and I shall just cut it. And also another thing I've done is got some scatter onto some rope to try and make some sort of bushes, and we'll see how them go. Otherwise, not a lot's gone on, all very boring, but just panning around you can hopefully appreciate the difference, and they've added a lot of colour and a bit more something to look at. Thanks for watching.